In today's business, delivering exceptional customer service is more important than ever. Can make or break a company's reputation and impact its bottom line. Those, be respectful, have respect for your customer. It is the foundation of all customer service. Don't forget that. Be upfront. The truth will come out eventually. So it's better to get things in the open from the outside. Honestly, it's the only policy. Be empathetic. Look at the situation from the other side. Would you be frustrated? Probably. Keep this in mind. Be prompt. Answer the phone in 2 rings and the email in 2 hours. Excellent service includes speed of response. Give appreciation. A customer take the time to complain. Be thankful they are loyal enough to want their issue fixed. Those. Be unprofessional. Don't ever be unprofessional for any reason. No matter how bad things get, always take the high ground always. Blame others. Be accountable for what has gone amiss. As you will go further, they don't care who got it wrong. Just fix it. Hide behind tools. Customer service tools are there to assist. If a tool is causing more problem, use it. Make it complicated. Don't ignore customer brush off their concerns or argue with them and get defensive. We hope our tips help you provide exceptional customer service. Each interaction is a chance to build strong, positive relationship with your customers.